Today I'm going to talk about the equipment that you need to get into recording, to have a recording setup. The good news is that these days there's an awful lot of equipment around that will do amazing jobs, and it's not so expensive. So to set up a recording studio in your home or wherever it might be is really quite cheap. I mean, you can buy equipment now for £500 that when I started out would have cost £100,000, and it does an awful lot more. So that's how the world has moved on. The difficulty, of course, is as there's such a lot of equipment on offer, what do you choose? What do you buy? How do you spend your money? Well, as I say, the good news is you don't actually have to spend a great deal of money. The important thing is to spend the money in the right areas, spend the money on the things that matter. You don't have to spend money on things that don't matter quite so much, and that's what I'm going to hope to guide you through today. Now, of course, the first thing you're going to need is a computer. Now, you've probably got a computer at home, and in a lot of cases that will do the job for you, and no reason why not. If you're a bit more serious about it, you might want to get a dedicated computer that you just use as your music recording device, and that's up to you, and it's up